Why do you air conditioning? Eh? As well, why do you air conditioning? You don't change the change.
To change the
Okay, you wait. When we are done, then you change over.
Change the temperature of the
So what you said is something you're saying. It's just like in a classroom, the teacher is marking and notice that what Gideon wrote is the same thing James also wrote. They call the two of them. Gideon, what happened? Oh, meaning them dream boom. Anyway, so basically, the reason why we fix air conditioning is to cool down the temperature of a space or the room. You understand? Now, it starts from the air conditioning station only two. The conduit work, and then the fixing of the air conditioning itself. Now, this is how it is. It's very, very simple. Look at it. This is this end, and then this. So this is outdoor. This is out, and this is in. Now we have different types of the way we do the air conditioning. We have, for example, we have central system, we have a split system. Do you understand? We have different types. Okay, but for the purpose of what I want to show you, what we want to do for this house is split. Split means that you need to do back inside and about engineer Kofu and about So since there's one here, I think since this one is the inside and this is the outside, we will need three things. We need two copper cable pipes and then cable. That's all. Do you understand the concept? It's very, very simple. So the indoor will have two pipes. One is big, one is small. The lower and the higher. Do you understand? And then cable. This is the basics of it. Even though there are different types of the AC, we have a smart system. Do you understand? But whichever way, there will be a pipe from indoor to outdoor. Whether you like it or not, there will be pipe. So long as it's split, there will be pipe for indoor and then outdoor. Okay. So now it means that now we have to, for example, this hall. Under normal circumstances, if they had dropped this place down, we would have kept the AC here. So that it would blow like this. Or if they had dropped this place down, we would have kept the AC here. So that it would blow like this. But looking at it, the way the hall is, I'm thinking of us keeping it here. At the middle of the hall. Then the pipe will go up towards. When the pipe goes out, it will go into what? Outdoor. Did I hear someone saying outdoor? Which of you has plan on? Hey, Alex. I heard Alex get girls, but they do himself like bishop. Okay, so it's going to the outdoor. That's what. So this is what I want you to understand. The next time I'll teach you, the day we'll do the pipe works, I'll teach you the different types of pipes. 5/8, 3/8, quarter, half inch, I'll teach you all those things. Then you know which one to connect for what. We are done now. The AC teaching has ended. Okay. So that's it.